I get a lot of questions if I want to add somebody to the deed of my home or remove somebody off of the deed. How does that work, and is that something a title company can help with?
Yeah, so as American Title Solutions, we have attorneys on staff, so we can absolutely help facilitate that. Any attorney really can help with doing, deed work. So there's like two answers to that question. The first is if they own the property outright, then really there's no secondary information that's needed. We're just going to collect names, make sure that proper vesting is there, and really then it's just who are we adding, what are we changing, adding, removing. We're going to have the owner come in, sign the deed, and then we're going to file it. So fairly simple and painless, really. The caveat to that is if the property is being financed, then the note and the mortgage might have something to say about changing the vesting of the property. So somebody's going to want to reach out to their lender and check to see, hey, can I add, can I remove? They might require some additional things to happen in order
Like refinancing, perhaps?
Yeah, they could ask for that for sure.
Right.
Every lender is different. Every note and mortgage is different. So that's going to be a follow-up question to the lender. Essentially, from the title standpoint, the attorney is going to do the same thing. They're going to ask for proper vesting information. They're going to come in, they're going to sign, we're going to file the deed. But let's just say they happen to do something without the permission of the lender. If the lender finds out, they could call that note due because they're going to see that the vesting is different. So that's just a pitfall that a consumer would want to know before they move forward with adding or removing somebody from their deed, for sure, if they're financed.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Yeah, you're welcome.